Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos, give a thumbs up, and leave an awesome comment. Today we got a great one for you. We're going to be doing pork chops in the Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. This is going to be one of the most simplest and delicious cooks that you ever do in this thing. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is what we got, some loin pork chops bone in. As you can see, we've got probably a little more than a ½ inch to an inch thick there on the ends. But yeah, so what we're gonna do with these now, we're basically just, I took them out and we're gonna season them up. We're not gonna use flour or anything like that. If you are looking for a video that, because I also did these with some flour, or if you wanna fry them and get that, the flour and all that stuff in there. If you look up right now, there's going to be a little card that pops up, and you can click on that, and that will show you how to do it with flour. But before you go anywhere, check these out because these turn out absolutely phenomenal. So all I did is go ahead and take them out of the package, just rinse them off with some cold water real quick, dry them off just a little bit, and super simple. All we're going to do is go ahead and season them up. I'm loving this new rub that I've never tried previously. The last couple of weeks I've been trying it, but yeah, the Famous Dave's, and it's super good on pork and chicken and stuff. So yeah, it's super simple. All we're gonna do is go ahead and season these up. All right, so we got them all seasoned up. Looking awesome. We're gonna get the sides too here on the second round. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and let these sit out for about 10 minutes, like I always like to do. It's gonna let the meat sweat a little bit. It's gonna start tacking up the seasoning. So we'll see you in 10 minutes and take it to the next step. Okay, so we let the chops sit out. As you can see, they've changed a little bit of color. Some of that, a little bit of the juices are coming out. So super simple. Go ahead and flip them over. I'm going to use my left hand to flip them and my right hand to go ahead and season the other side now. With this rub I'm using, you can buy this at your local grocery store, Fry's, Kroger's, Safeway's, Albertsons. It's sold pretty much everywhere, but this is a very awesome rub for pork, chicken. I'm going to try it on some other stuff as well. Then what you can do actually is go ahead and throw a little bit of seasoning on the cutting board just like that, and take your chop and just, to get the edges, because that fat is delicious. And yeah, then you get the whole thing seasoned. Let me get some more in there. Ew, there we go. You got the whole thing seasoned up. So that side, and we'll do this side, and then yeah, we'll let this sit out for 10 minutes. And actually, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on the air fryer rack right now, like this, and then yeah, so they're on the air fryer rack. I'm gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes and we'll meet you at the air fryer. All right, so we're at the air fryer. We got our chops here. And what we're gonna do is go ahead and throw them right on the middle rack. Super easy, turn this thing on. We're gonna go up to 400 degrees and we're gonna give this thing 10 minutes. Turn it on and we'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. As you can see, it does say off. We're going to open this thing up and see what we got so far. Ooh, I hear the sizzling, and the smell is phenomenal. All right, so this is what we got so far. All we're going to do is go ahead and give these a 180-degree rotation. Turn them 180 degrees, put them back on the middle rack, get them in there just like that. Close that door. We're going to turn this thing back on. We're going back on 400, and we're going to give it 10 more minutes, and we'll check the temperature. See you then. Okay, so it actually has been 5 minutes, and I'm going to open this up and take a temperature reading just to see where we're at. And oh man, they are looking absolutely amazing. Let me just see. Got my Insta-Read here. Just poke it in. It's gonna give me temperatures. Oh man. Yep, let's try over here. Jeez, we're already at 155 degrees. These things are done. Let's take a look real quick at what we got. 15 minutes. Oh, let's see some juices. And let me bring it down here real quick. Oh, the juices are dripping. Oh yeah. I gotta get some of those juices to the cutting board. We'll see you at the cutting board. Okay, so here's what we ended up with. Be careful for those juices flowing everywhere. Looking amazing. So I'm gonna bring you, actually I'm gonna get you in here a little closer. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here. We're getting right to the point. All right, we're gonna cut this thing right down the middle. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. All right, so let's see if we can get you a good picture here. Ooh, zoom in, and cooked perfectly. And well, obviously you can see the juices are, it's super perfectly cooked. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I'm gonna take a piece of this. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. That is phenomenal. All right, meet you back up top. All right, we are finished with the cook. I know you've seen cutting it up and everything, but yes sirree, that is a awesome cooked piece of meat. Anyway, it's absolutely phenomenal. Now, like I said in the beginning, if you want if you want to throw some flour on it and do it like it's actually fried, just there's an iCard up there. Just click it. There'll be a few videos up there where you can do flour, and I got some other ones up there. Just click that and check that out. There's some good stuff up there as well. But anyway, that's how you do pork chops in the new Power Fryer Pro 10-in-1. Now, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. With that being said, I'll enjoy the rest of these pork chops, and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.